In this quick video, I'll introduce you to the best natural treatment for removing toenail fungus quickly and permanently. Have you ever felt the deep shame of hiding your feet, avoiding moments of intimacy or leisure on the beach because of nail fungus? That suffocating feeling of low self-esteem when even a simple pair of sandals becomes an enemy? You're not alone. Nail fungus infection, known as onychomycosis, affects millions, appearing in humid and warm environments, ideal for the proliferation of these unwanted organisms. Statistics show that up to 10% of the world's population suffers from it, with numbers rising among the elderly and athletes. Ignoring this problem can lead to drastic consequences: discolored, deformed nails, a persistent bad smell, recurring infections, and in the most serious cases, the loss of the nail or even amputations. And let's face it, those YouTube home remedies, painful surgeries, and expensive treatments often fail to tackle the root of the problem, draining your money and hope. But what if there was a way to eliminate this shame once and for all, to regain your confidence with healthy nails, without resorting to temporary or dangerous solutions? Now I'm going to introduce you to a natural, safe, and effective treatment that promises not only to relieve the symptoms, but to eradicate the fungal infection from your nails once and for all. Ready to say goodbye to nail fungus and hello to freedom and self-confidence? The best natural treatment for removing toenail fungus was born from an innovative discovery by Dr. Kimberly Langdon, a renowned fungus specialist. After years of research, she developed a revolutionary method that promises to be the definitive solution to this annoying problem. Unlike conventional treatments, which often have serious side effects or are simply not effective, Dr. Langdon's method stands out for its simplicity, effectiveness, and use of natural ingredients. The effectiveness of this treatment lies in the direct application of an exclusive combination of 4 simple ingredients on the fungus. However, stay calm and don't be anxious, because in just a few minutes, I'll reveal how you can acquire these miraculous ingredients easily and affordably. This approach not only tackles the problem at its root, it's also easy to fit into your daily routine, delivering fast and lasting results. Thousands of people have already benefited from these ingredients, regaining not only the health of their nails, but also their confidence and well-being. Dr. Langdon's journey to this discovery was not easy. Passionate about swimming since college, she herself faced the challenge of dealing with nail fungus, an experience that shaped her career and motivated her to seek a definitive solution. Her dedication and expertise led to the identification of 4 key essential oils, which when combined, offer a powerful solution against fungus. Many treatments fail because they can't completely eliminate the fungus, or because the prolonged use of chemical substances ends up strengthening the invading organism, making it resistant. The ingredients chosen by Dr. Langdon, however, attack the fungus in a safe and natural way, without giving it a chance to develop resistance. The first essential oil in this battle is clove oil, known for its potent antifungal properties. Studies show that it is capable of destroying fungal spores, preventing them from reproducing and spreading. But stay calm, as I'll detail how you can obtain and apply this oil effectively in a moment. The second oil is lavender oil, which not only attacks the fungus, but also improves the appearance of the skin and nails, bringing almost immediate benefits. The third ingredient is linseed oil, a powerful anti-inflammatory that helps the skin and nails regenerate after the fungal attack. And last but not least is Manuka oil, known for its exceptional properties against resistant fungal infections. Again, please bear with me, as I will soon reveal where to find these powerful allies against nail fungus. To apply this miraculous combination, start with a foot bath lasting at least 3 minutes to soften the nails. Then mix the oils and apply. The application should be made directly to the affected areas, ensuring that the oils penetrate well and do their job. However, a critical question arises: how do you ensure the correct dosage of these oils? An inappropriate mixture can not only fail to treat the fungus, but also strengthen it. If the amount of each oil is less than ideal, the treatment won't work, and if it's more than ideal, it will strengthen the fungus. Understanding the difficulty of obtaining the correct blend, Dr. Langdon developed Care Essentials, a ready-made solution that simplifies the process, guaranteeing the ideal dosage and purity. This product represents a bridge between the need for an effective natural treatment and ease of use, and has already been proven by thousands of people who have recovered not only the health of their nails, but also their quality of life. Imagine the freedom to show off your feet without fear, thanks to the effective elimination of resistant fungi. Care Essentials offers a simple application routine, strengthening the immune system of the skin and nails, while preventing the spread of spores. You will notice a visible and lasting transformation, restoring natural beauty to your nails. Simply apply Care Essentials to the affected areas just after showering, when the skin and nails are soft, using the special applicator included. The key to success lies in consistency. Use the product daily for maximum results. The first signs of improvement can be seen almost immediately, with significant changes in the first few weeks. Depending on the severity of the infection, complete elimination of the fungus and total nail regeneration may require a few months of continuous application. Unlike traditional methods that carry health risks, Care Essentials stands out for its safety. Composed of natural ingredients, it minimizes any risk of adverse reactions, offering a gentle yet powerful treatment. Care Essentials' effectiveness is not based on promises alone. alone. Studies on its components, such as clove oil and Manuka oil, prove its ability to effectively fight fungal infections, guaranteeing you a treatment based on solid research. Your investment in Care Essentials is completely safe, thanks to the 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If for any reason you're not satisfied with the results, the support team is ready to provide a full refund of your money, with no hassle or questions asked. If Care Essentials sounds like the solution you've been looking for, don't waste any time. Click on the link in the first comment of this video to go to the treatment's official website. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care of your nails.